Today, Alice and I are going to show you how to make cake cookies.
All you'll need is a bowl, 2 eggs, a cookie sheet, a cup, measuring cup, and any kind of cake mix of your choice. Vegetable oil, and a spoon.
Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pour the cake mix into the mixing bowl. Next, you're going to add a half a cup of oil. Whoa. Half a cup of oil. Then you're going to put in 2 eggs. And then we're going to stir it up really well. You want to use this?
Yeah.
You can use that. So we're going to stir it up really well, and then we're going to drop it on our ungreased cookie sheet by the spoonfuls, and then you're going to cook it in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes on 350 degrees. We'll show you the end results. So we dropped our cookies onto the cookie sheet by rounded teaspoons, and now we're going to bake them. So we just took our cookies out of the oven and we let them cool for about 5 minutes, and now Alice is going to try one. Let us know how they taste.
Okay. Delicious.